everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I am Jukta and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY. So today I wanted to talk about my experience of having a biotin supplements and also its benefits in general. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So let me first give you guys a brief idea of what biotin actually is. So it is a water soluble vitamin which falls under the category of vitamin B, and it greatly helps in the growth of your hair, nails and skin. So obviously it is very beneficial if you are like suffering from hair fall, or if you are going through certain breakouts and stuff. But I would highly suggest you guys to go and take a suggestion from your doctor or your dermatologist, whoever you want to contact. Just go and take a suggestion or an opinion from an expert. So the supplement I am currently using is this biotin supplement by Roncovita. It has 60 capsules in this particular container, which is priced at 1899, and I am currently taking one capsule per day, but you can also take 2 capsules per day depending on your choice. So when you go and take an opinion from your doctor, obviously he or she will tell you what you should take and how much you should intake, because a 10,000 mcg is quite a powerful dosage. So I prefer only taking one capsule per day. So now let me quickly tell you guys about my experience, and if I have had faced any seen any benefits or faced any problems during my consumption. I have been consuming this for around 1 month or so, and I have not seen any side effects. Like many people start having some other side effects or something like that, but this one suits me very well. So it also depends on the brand you are taking, I guess. So I am currently using this, and I have not seen any side effects, but I have definitely seen some benefits. This is a type of medication, so you cannot expect it to work like wonders overnight. So you need to give it a particular time, but it also varies from person to person. So whoever is consuming depends on that person's body and metabolism. So obviously it varies from person to person. I have seen results in 1 month, though not very huge, but yeah, I have definitely seen results. But some people see very good results in like just 7 days, or in 14 days or 15 days. So it depends obviously from person to person. So for me, I would first like to say why I was having some issues regarding my hair. I had suffered from dengue 2 years back, so it affected my hair very badly. I don't know if it happened with someone else or not, but it affected my hair very badly. My hair had become like very rough and very frizzy, and also like I was having a lot of hair fall, like a lot. I never used to have that much amount of hair fall, so I was actually traumatized. So in the last 2 years, I have been trying a lot of things like packs, oils, etc, etc. So it had improved. Obviously the way it had been like in the beginning, obviously it had improved in last 2 years, but in the last 1 month I have seen like very good results. My hair fall is reduced very much. And so now I would quickly like to tell you guys what are the benefits of biotin and what actually will happen if you take a biotin like capsule or biotin supplement. Usually we take a biotin supplement when we have deficiency of biotin in our diet. So like in this kind of a busy schedule, you might have a lot of deficiency of many other vitamins, and also in turn have a deficiency of biotin as well. So yeah, that is why we should like if you are having deficiency in your diet and you can feel it, you should definitely go for a supplement. Now biotin helps in hair growth and reduction of hair fall. It also improves the quality of your hair. So if your hair is frizzy or dry, it will definitely work on that, and it will improve the shine and texture of your hair. The next benefit of biotin is that it affects highly on the quality of your nails. So if your nails are brittle or if your nails tend to break easily, so this will obviously work on that, and your like growth of your nails and quality of your nails will also improve. The last point I'm going to talk about is that biotin helps in weight loss. Now this is a very controversial thing, but biotin has a tendency, or does break complex carbohydrates and fats into simpler compounds, so that your body can make it and use it as easy energy which is available in your body. So obviously if you're consuming biotin, it will easily break your carbohydrates which have been stored in your body, and it will in turn kind of benefit your weight loss. So I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If you did, then don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Share this video with your friends and comment down below on what you guys want to see in my channel next. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!